In this video, I'm going to show you 24 health benefits of drinking baking soda and water. Now, it's no surprise that people have found many uses and health benefits of baking soda. Baking soda alone has a wide variety of uses, from deodorizing to skin exfoliation. But what about drinking baking soda and water? This concoction has multiple health benefits. Baking soda, also known as sodium bicarbonate, is a natural antacid. This means that it neutralizes stomach acid. This makes baking soda a great alternative to over-the-counter antacids. Now, it's important to note that when making this solution, make sure you're using baking soda and not baking powder. Baking soda is pure sodium bicarbonate, but baking powder has other ingredients added to it. Baking soda's power comes from its alkaline nature. Here are the 24 health benefits of drinking baking soda with water. 1. Detox. Baking soda is thought to help the body detox. After a while, depending on the food we eat and the environments we're exposed to, our bodies start to build up heavy metals and other toxins. Sometimes the body needs a little extra help with removing those toxins. Drinking baking soda water helps with that. It can remove the heavy metals and other toxic substances so that your body can operate optimally. 2. Indigestion. Baking soda can also relieve or prevent indigestion. To take care of indigestion, just take half a teaspoon of baking soda with 2 cups of water about an hour after eating. However, it's good to identify the sources of indigestion so that you can prevent it with a healthy diet. 3. Improve kidney function. When kidneys are not working at their optimal level, it can be hard for them to remove acidic waste from the body. Baking soda is known to buffer acid and balance pH levels, so it can help the kidneys remove unwanted acids in the body. 4. Enhances workout. Would you like to work out longer with less fatigue? People experience fatigue and soreness in their muscles after working out because of something called lactic acid. Baking soda is known to absorb this acid, therefore reducing fatigue and soreness. 5. Insect bites. While you're using your paste for itchy skin, why not put some on insect bites? As with itchy skin, applying the baking soda paste immediately reduces the itching. It may also prevent infection due to its antiseptic properties. 6. Drinking baking soda water balances pH. As mentioned before, baking soda's wonderful curing properties come from its alkaline nature. Due to diet, environment, and other factors, certain areas of the body can develop a pH imbalance. As mentioned before, baking soda, and not baking powder, is pure sodium bicarbonate, which is alkaline and therefore the opposite of acidic. Consuming baking soda will help restore the natural pH where it's needed. 7. Teeth whitener. Baking soda is a common ingredient in toothpaste due to its ability to remove plaque. Using baking soda by itself can be too abrasive and wear off enamel on the teeth. However, by making a solution or paste by adding water can be good for dental health. Either mix baking soda and water and swish it around in your mouth, or use less water to create a paste and leave it on your teeth for a few minutes. Do this a few times a week and you'll have whiter teeth in no time. 8. Gout. Gout is caused by an overwhelming amount of uric acid in the blood, which crystallizes and therefore cannot be flushed out of the system. As with many of the ailments in this list, this is due to the blood being too acidic. Baking soda's alkaline nature brings the pH back up, which allows the blood to hold more uric acid without it crystallizing. This makes it easier to flush the uric acid out of the body and prevents the formation of gout. 9. Acid reflux. Baking soda's alkaline nature means that it acts as an antacid and neutralizes stomach acid. Antacids are a common item to use for acid reflux. However, instead of heading to your local pharmacy or store to buy antacids, you can find a cheaper, natural alternative right in your pantry. Drinking a glass of water mixed with a teaspoon of baking soda should be good enough to reduce the pain and other symptoms. 10. Infection. Baking soda is a mild antiseptic. This means that it can fight off all infections in the body. If you have an infection anywhere in your body, try drinking a glass of baking soda water each day for a few days. 11. Itchy skin relief. If you have extra baking soda water after drinking it, why not try using it for your skin? Baking soda water not only helps balance the pH inside your body, but also on the outside. Itchy skin is due to pH changes, which are caused by external factors such as allergies, sunburn, and rashes. Use your extra baking soda water as a paste and put it on your itchy skin for instant relief. 12. Prevent kidney stones. Kidney stones are formed by an ionic balance in the body. As a result, urine becomes too acidic, and the acid begins to crystallize into kidney stones. Baking soda helps balance out both the pH and the ions, leading to less crystallization and more waste exiting the body. 13. Freshen breath. Many people have heard of baking soda's deodorizing abilities. It's a common ingredient for getting rid of refrigerator odors and for homemade deodorant. So naturally, baking soda can also get rid of the odors in your breath. Just take some baking soda and water and swish it around in your mouth for a minute. Soon enough, your breath will be quite fresh. 14. Inflammation. Many cases of inflammation are caused by a pH imbalance, which results in an acidic environment. Once again, baking soda's alkaline nature comes to the rescue for this problem. Inflammation decreases once baking soda comes on the scene. 15. Cancer. Cancerous tumors tend to be acidic in nature. The pH balancing properties of baking soda increase the pH level of these tumors without affecting healthy tissue and the blood. Without the acidic environment, cancer has a hard time surviving in the body. Furthermore, the balanced pH also gives nutritional and immune system support for those suffering from cancer. 16. Urinary tract infection. Urinary tract infections result when the immune system is weakened. Since baking soda is an antiseptic, it helps clean out the urinary system so that it can function to its fullest. Drinking baking soda water helps clean out every part of the system, from blood to the urinary tract to the bladder. Keeping these organs clean and purified helps heal and prevent urinary tract infections. 17. Cholesterol. Baking soda is known to balance and cleanse out blood vessels. This helps with the reduction and prevention of LDL cholesterol, known as bad cholesterol. To keep your blood vessels clean, try adding lemon to your baking soda water. 18. Bronchitis. Bronchitis is formed by inflammation of the bronchioles in your lungs. Baking soda's alkaline properties reduce inflammation. Therefore, drinking a glass of baking soda water should relieve and prevent bronchitis. 19. Sore throat. Baking soda can fight many infections, including sore throats. For this remedy, mix baking soda and water to gargle it. In this instance, don't swallow the mixture when you're done. 20. Weight loss. Considering that baking soda helps with detoxing, enhancing workout performance, and reduces bloating, is it really any wonder that it helps with weight loss? Now, keep in mind, baking soda does not affect your body fat or how your body uses calories. Instead, it's the other benefits on this list that, when combined, could result in weight loss. 21. Reduces cold and flu. Popular studies have shown that people who consume baking soda regularly seem to have a smaller chance of getting a cold or flu. Furthermore, those same people seem to recover faster if they do get sick. It's generally believed that the pH balancing properties of baking soda is the cure for these ailments. This once again proves how important it is to keep your body's pH balanced. 22. Cough. With baking soda relieving inflammation and infection, naturally coughs don't stand a chance. Try drinking a glass of baking soda water for a few days and see your cough quickly disappear. 23. Protect tooth enamel. Acidic environments can cause the weakening of enamel. Drinking baking soda water can balance the pH in the mouth and prevent tooth decay. However, this solution is best used as a drink or gargle. In other words, it's not recommended to brush your teeth with just baking soda. While baking soda can be good for dental health, brushing your teeth with it when it is in solid form, instead of using it as a gargle, can actually damage your teeth. 24. May help quit smoking. Perhaps one of the most miraculous things that baking soda water can do is help nicotine addicts quit smoking. There are numerous stories around the web of how people noticed a significant decrease in their addiction after drinking baking soda. It's believed that the alkalinity of baking soda is what helps curb the cravings. So if you're struggling to kick your nicotine addiction, try a glass of baking soda water. And here are some final notes before drinking baking soda water. Drinking baking soda with water can have numerous health benefits. However, it is important to make sure that you check with your doctor before consuming baking soda and water. People with diseases such as liver disease, kidney disease, high blood pressure should not take baking soda with water. And as with any medical routine, make sure not to overuse baking soda, as you don't know how this mixture will affect you over time. I hope you've enjoyed this video on 24 health benefits of drinking baking soda and water. If you have, please subscribe to this YouTube channel, and don't forget to give this video the thumbs up. And I'm sure you're going to enjoy this next video on the 40 uses and benefits of baking soda. Thanks for watching, and bye for now.